Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 12 CBSE Maths Continuity and Differentiability. Exercise 5.6 question number 8. Let's see the question. X is equal to a cos t plus log tan t by 2. Y is equal to a sin t. We need to find dy by dx. Here they have given dx in terms of t and y in terms of t means we need to differentiate it with respect to t. So here if I differentiate this with respect to t, it becomes dx by dt. Here a is a coefficient, so you can write a as it is, because if it is a number we will be writing, so here t is a term we need to differentiate. So cos t will become minus sin t plus here log tan t by 2. Log x is 1 by x, so log tan t by 2 is 1 by tan t by 2 into inner function differentiate we need to do. So tan t by 2 will become secant square t by 2. For tan it is secant, so tan t by 2 will become secant square t by 2. For t by 2 also we need to differentiate. T by 2 will become 1 by 2. Now this both we are going to change to sin and cos. So let me change to sin and cos. It becomes a minus sin t plus here sin by cos, so the cos will come to the numerator, so cos t by 2 by sin t by 2. Here secant square is the reciprocal of cos, so it becomes 1 by cos square t by 2 into 2. So let me write the 2 in the front. The denominator 2 I am writing in the front. Here 1 cos t by 2 and 1 cos t by 2 get cancelled. Now we have a minus sin t plus 1 by here 2 sin theta cos theta. If it is 2 sin theta cos theta, we can write this to be sin 2 theta, because this is the formula for sin 2 theta. Here sin 2 theta value here is t by 2, so I am writing it to be t by 2. This get cancelled. Now it becomes sin t. Let me take LCM here. If I take LCM, it becomes sin squared. Here it is sin t, so sin t into sin t becomes minus sin square t plus 1 by sin t. Now 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. We have learnt in 10th standard, so we can write this to be a cos square t. 1 minus sin square is cos square. Let this be as it is. Now we'll move on to dy by dt. Here we need to find dy by dt and y is equal to a sin t. So if I differentiate, this becomes a cos t. So we need to find dy by dx. So dy by dx is nothing but dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So we know both the values. This is dx by dt. So if I divide this 2 get cancelled. So we can find dy by dx. So we know both the values. So let me write it a cos t first, dy first, then a cos square t by sin t. Here this one cos get cancelled, a get cancelled. We have 1 by cos t by sin t. So sin will come as a reciprocal in the numerator. So it becomes sin t by cos t, which is nothing but tan t. So this is your final answer for the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.